Hello traders, welcome to another Trade Your Way video. Today I just wanted to highlight a couple of nice trades that I took today on the Dow Jones using two strategies, the 764 strategy first off and then the divergence strategy. So first off, 764 strategy, price went up to my 764 and I shorted it there. Off the 764, literally no drawdown. And first target was hit at the 38.2. I was looking for lower, but it didn't. So it was a good 40+ point move, about a 4-to-1 risk to reward. So that was a very nice start to the day on this. And you can see his divergence on the 1 hour. This price is pumping up, and so this is where we were as we approached the US Open. And at 2:30, price was moving quite nicely up. And then at 2 o'clock or 1:50, I called this setup and said, right, we're going to short this with divergence at the 127 extension. And the first target's going to be 34,800, back to previous structure, as are the rules of my divergence strategy. And then if it can push down, T2 is 34,710 roughly. So again, about a good 1 to 7 risk to reward, because the stop loss was only about 15 points or so, and got in a couple of nice positions. So it was really nice, comfortable. We just waited. As soon as the US Open came into play, you can see price just tanked, gave us this little move here at 2 o'clock as we got in. 2:30 opens, bosh, price action did exactly that, and so T1 was there, and then we just proceeded to trail the stop loss, and it's all highlighted and documented in my VIP group, which is where I share all my trades and analysis. And so we just trailed the stop loss comfortably, and just let this all move and play out beautifully. So we moved it down, then we moved it down to like 34,800, then we moved it to 34,780. And then moved it to 34,740, but I mean it never looked back really. It tore through the trend line as well. So yeah, an amazing move, amazing price action. If I just show you actually where we're at with this, so I think if we were to go like this, does it allow us to do it? No, it doesn't. So you would have seen I had my entries up here, pretty much at the entry. Yeah, perfect. Some people made 2% on that move, and those that are trading FTMO and other prop firms, yeah, they're in a good position because they're able to trade things like the Dow Jones. So yeah, had two decent trades on this. 764 first off, we see price reacted there, and then divergence off the 127, which gave us the a decent move. So all in all, comfortably over a 4% day. All in all, really nice bit of trading, no dramas. Just wanted to share that with you because two strategies were used to make, on one trade, pretty much on one move today, or one bit of price action, really a little bit up here and then here. And just, yeah, it's definitely worth sharing. Hopefully you'll find this of value. And if you want to get in touch, you want to learn, you want to join my VIP groups for free, always free what I do, just get in touch. Telegram message me at ALX_TYW, and yeah, look forward to chatting with you. All the best.